So this is the new Amora NeoLuxe suites that I have booked. It's a single room. It's a superior deluxe room that I have booked. Bed, kind of living area, refrigerator, one coffee machine and stuff, some water bottles, a desk, another desk. So this is what the hotel looks like. Pretty good. Let's see the view. Yeah, so this is the back side of Sukhumvit area, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the cupboard. All usual stuff, a security lock, bathrobes. Let's check out the washroom. Okay, so they have a bathtub in here. Free toiletries. Bathtub with the shower and a pan. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Nice and cozy room. So this room just costed me, so I'll be staying here for 3 nights, and it costed me around 3,600 baht for 3 nights, which breakfast is included. So for INR it converts to around 2,400 rupees per night with breakfast, and it is in the just 20 meters away from the main Sukhumvit area, main Sukhumvit road, just 20 meters away from the main Sukhumvit road. So that's a pretty decent location. Yeah, that's what it is. So this is the device where you can control the entire room's lighting. So if I just click on the master button here, everything just switches off. Yeah. So yeah, all lights are off right now. So this is required when you need to go for sleep. Yeah, you need to switch off the TV yourself. Apart from that, yeah, most of the lightings are automatically switched off. Okay, so let's disable it. Yeah, as you can see, now all the lights are on. This is a pretty decent, pretty different, unlike from any other rooms. Yeah, so if you want to switch off from the makeup room, this is from the washroom. Okay, I need to switch off the mini bathroom as well. So okay, reading light as well, and from the okay, now you can see that these lights are switched off right now. So as you can see, these lights are now switched off. It's a pretty good thing. And apart from this, you can control the temperature. This is air conditioning on or off, entrance lighting, living room lighting, alarm, everything you can control here. Temperature up and down, speed of the air conditioning, everything can be controlled here. So this is a pretty nice device that the hotel is providing. Really kind of little bit advanced, which is pretty good.